In today's video, we're going to go through one of the fastest growing chicken franchises in the United States and walk through their trajectory from just a single location in West Hollywood to their plans to open up 500 plus locations in the coming years. So Dave's Hot Chicken is a chicken-themed restaurant that offers unique recipes and a menu that revolves around that Nashville-themed hot chicken in a fast casual environment. The brand first started as a stand in a West Hollywood parking lot, and that's where four best friends started this concept. One of them, Dave, was a trained chef in French cuisine and was committed to making their chicken dream a reality. William Phelps has served as CEO of Dave Hot's Chicken franchise since the company's inception, and previously he served as a director of Blaze Pizza and has many years of experience in food and beverage. Dave's Chicken has over 60 locations, and they're growing really fast, and they expect to open up another 75 locations in 2022, as well as they have commitments to open up another 500 locations in North America. They have some serious investors, and they're leveraging their Hollywood address, bringing in investors like Drake as well as Samuel L. Jackson, investing in the parent company level, as well as Kris Humphries, a former NBA star, many of you might know, has committed to open up 10 franchise locations himself. They compete directly with Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, and emerging brands like Guy's Chicken. To get into a Dave's Hot Chicken, it's going to be an investment of about $500,000 all the way up to $1 million. They also have a non-traditional option to invest between 2.5 and 10 million, where that's going to have sit-through, drive-through, and that's going to be more like a Sonic type business, where you're most likely also going to own the real estate for that investment where the restaurant's operating. The initial franchise fee is $30,000 to get into a Dave's Hot Chicken franchise, which is pretty standard for the industry. Minimum net worth requirement, at least $250,000 to open up a single location, and higher net worth is going to make it possible to open up multiple locations. And that seems to be the trend where Dave's Hot Chicken corporate really wants multi-unit operators that maybe have already worked with other brands that have already been established for years and are looking to join an emerging concept. Dave's Hot Chicken expects liquid cash of $100,000 for franchisees, which isn't that high, especially when you compare that to KFC, Popeyes, which the requirements are substantially more. But come on, nothing compares to Chick-fil-A, where you could own 50% of a Chick-fil-A, or at least get 50% of the profits for a Chick-fil-A that you're operating and managing for $10,000. And Chick-fil-A is going to invest millions of dollars to build out that location. We've done videos on Chick-fil-A. I encourage you to tune into that if you don't have the $100,000 minimum liquid cash to invest in a Dave's Hot Chicken. And if you just have $10,000, definitely consider Chick-fil-A if you're looking into entering the chicken space or the restaurant space in general in the United States. Although Dave's Hot Chicken does not provide unit level profits, based on our research, we estimate the revenue about $1.5 million and profit margin around 15% with annualized profit of $223,000. So if you only invested $500,000 and you're making $200K a year or more, the payback period is not going to be bad. It could be as little as 4 years. However, if you invested more money or you're not quite getting that $250,000 in profit, the time to recoup the investment could go up to 7-8 years. So we estimate anywhere from 4 to 8 years to get your money back from investing in a Dave's Hot Chicken franchise. If you're looking to recoup your money back faster, you could potentially lever up your cash and get a faster cash return if you're using financing like through the SBA loan program or through a commercial bank. So anywhere from 4 to 8 years isn't that bad for a quick service restaurant. If you are considering jumping into the Dave's Hot Chicken bus, make sure to definitely talk to some existing franchisees and understand the financials better. I would recommend you talk to at least 5 Dave's Hot Chicken franchisees, especially those franchisees that already own other brands like Jimmy John's and other marquee brands where they've entered into Dave's Hot Chicken and they've been sitting on the sideline waiting for a chicken concept, and they decided on Dave's. Learn from them why they decided to invest in a Dave's Hot Chicken. If there's other chicken franchise or any franchise in general you'd like us to review, shoot me an email at patrick@vettedbiz.com. Thanks.